The following troubleshooting steps will help keep your poly strapping machine running smoothly. If the strap will not feed through your poly strapping machine, the width of the strap guide may need to be adjusted. The poly strapping machine strap guide comes preset for 1/2 inch wide strap. To adjust the strap guide, remove the two 4mm Allen bolts from the strap inlet, then set the inlet aside. Loosen the two Phillips screws on the lower guide with the included 8mm wrench. Insert the strap into the channel, then adjust the guide in while moving the strap back and forth. When you feel resistance, tighten the Phillips head screws. Loosely attach the inlet guide and fold the strap over itself. This will tell you how to set the inlet guide. Once the width is determined, tighten the Allen bolts. Your strapping width is now set, and straps should feed through properly. Should you have questions, Uline's repair department can be reached by calling customer service. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.